Hi, this is Jackson Mummy from Celebration Bar Review. I wanted to introduce you today to a brand new product that I'm very excited about. It's called BarMaps. These are products that come with our regular bar review courses, but we know that not everyone either wants to buy a full course or has the capability of doing that. We also know that you're probably interested in getting right to the heart of the material that you need in an effective and an efficient way, and that's what BarMaps do. What we've done is to take two important parts of our course and make them available to you on a subject-by-subject basis or as a group of subjects from the multi-state or state courses. And I'm going to demonstrate that for you in this short video. We're going to provide a set of videos for every subject that's built on an interactive model. And what that means is that you can actually choose within a lecture the subtopic items that you want to watch. You'll have a menu letting you know every topic within the lecture and how long it runs. You can click right in to that part of the lecture and get the information that you need. These lectures are the full, complete lectures that we use in our bar review courses successfully for over 25 years. Each lecture is built with a video and audio component to it so that you're watching the text as you're listening to the material for the most impact as you're studying. And in addition to that, what we've done is to embed a set of interactive visual mind maps. Now, if you're not familiar with mind mapping, it's a great way to take notes and to visualize the material that's in a particular subject or lecture. We've created these mind maps from our tables of contents of our bar review outlines, and they follow along with the lecture. What happens is that you have a visual mind map to look at that's got sub-mind maps for the topics within each subject as well. So BarMap is literally an opportunity to go through the lectures and to see what the text looks like in a mind map structure. I think you're going to love that. Now, with these mind maps that we provided, you can copy and edit them and create your own set of mind maps using ours as the beginning. And in fact, we suggest this to our existing students as the most effective way to study. Now, the best part of all of this is the price. For right now, the price of this entire package is only $375 for all 7 multi-state subjects. Or you can buy each subject individually for $75, so you can see you're going to save $150 just by buying the entire package. That's 2 free subjects when you buy the whole package. We will most likely be raising the price as we go along, but we wanted to make this special introductory offer.